Since January 7, 2025, Los Angeles has been experiencing a series of severe wildfires. Damages to people and property. Deaths. At least 7 people have lost their lives due to the fires. Evacuations. Nearly 180,000 people have been ordered to evacuate, with another 100,000 warned of potential evacuation if conditions worsen. Property damage. The Palisades fire has destroyed around 300 structures and threatens more than 13,300 others. In total, the fires have affected over 10,000 structures, including many multi-million-dollar mansions belonging to Hollywood stars. Burned areas. The largest fire, Pacific Palisades, has covered over 70 square kilometers. The Eaton fire has burned nearly 4,300 hectares. Economic damage. Insurance losses. Credit rating agencies estimate insured losses to reach up to $8 billion, with Morgan forecasting it could rise to $20 billion. Total economic impact. Initial estimates of total economic damages reach $57 billion, with Pacific Palisades being the most severely affected area. Cause and response. Cause. The exact cause of the fires has not been determined and is under investigation. Government response. California Governor Gavin Newsom has declared a state of emergency. Firefighting forces from multiple states have been deployed, involving more than 1,000 personnel. Current situation. Despite efforts to contain the fires, adverse weather conditions, including strong winds and low humidity, continue to pose challenges. Strong winds are expected to persist until the evening of January 10th, maintaining a high wildfire risk. Before the fire, Los Angeles stood as a vibrant city full of life and opportunity. After the flames, it now bears the scars of destruction, with charred landscapes and shattered communities, replacing its once thriving neighborhoods. Thanks for watching and subscribe.